Woo! All right now, Mac. What's going on, y'all? Let's see this thing. Oh, Max Crosby. Up top, that's you. Huh! This the connection they want. That's the connection they want. Drop it in there. You see me? hey, you over there breaking them off? Come on, oh yeah, this is what all my, man, I've been waiting for this my whole life. You see me? I'm open, hey, you better keep your eyes on me. You better keep those eyes on me. Don't be peeking in there. I'm open, Pat. Man, dang, Pat. He don't want me to be great, man. He don't want me to be great. Cut. I don't think I ran that right. Oh, see, you're supposed to be there. You're supposed to be there. Yeah, I just grabbed your attention right there. I was like, hey, do you want a touchdown?
Hard to dehydrate early in the week.
Ready?
Green 18. Never said green 18 in my life.
Get jiggy on them real quick. I don't know where I'm going. There are so many bodies out there, I have no idea. Were you just playing safety? That man, TJ Watt was just 20 yards downfield, he playing safety.